Good morning.
Right now we are in Coron, Palawan, Philippines, and we will be doing a boat tour today. A tricycle picked us up. His phone is ringing right now. We are in another hostel. He's picking more people up in this little tricycle, and we're gonna go to the pier, I think, and start our boat tour. Our boat is the last one. We need to cross all of these. We're so dark.
Guys,
The weather is
summer is
pretty cloudy.
Rainy over there.
We came to a coral garden. It was pouring rain, like all of my dress is... And it's raining now too, so it was hard to vlog, but now we're gonna take the GoPro and we're gonna snorkel. How was it?
It was very nice, very colorful reef.
Yay.
Party. Ang birang bag
It's so dark this way. The weather got much better. No more rain. Thankfully.
I feel like for the past few days it was raining in the morning and then clear in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Second stop, CYC Beach. So there is no entrance fee here.
It's owned by the government, so no entrance fee or environmental fee.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna chill at the beach, I think, and snorkel as well. We came to the beach. The beach is over there. We found a little path with mangroves.
Mangrove forest time. Mangrove forest. So we're on the other side of the beach. It's the same beach, same island. Mangrove tree forest was a little bit sketchy, so we turned around and looked this way. The beach is not very big.
Yes, it's that. This is
Yeah.
it.
This is apparently a kayaking destination, but the tour is 900 peso and the kayak is 1,200 peso.
There are more mangroves there.
Ooh, let's go check them out. I didn't see those things.
In this destination, we're just swimming around because there's not much to do in the island. It's pretty small. Yeah, it's clean water, nice weather.
They're cooking our lunch in the back of the boat there. Yeah, they're cooking. And Tuja loves grilled fish. You can see the fish there. Grilled fish right there. Grilled fish, just like Tuja likes it. Another grilled fish. Oh, there's a grilled fish right here. Grilled fish.
Third stop, we are in Greenland. And we didn't know, but like this place is right next to the houseboats we stayed like 2 days ago. So you should go check that video for sure. Like that was amazing. The houses are there. But right now we're gonna swim around here. We already kayaked around here in that video as well, but it looks very nice, very clean. Everyone is taking pictures in the front of the boat. Our next stop is going to be Kayangan Lake, which I'm the most excited for. But before that, we're gonna eat. They already cooked on the back. No, mine is also like.
Did you manage to film the giant lizard thing?
It was not giant. We're gonna eat our lunch here with our foot in the water. Very relaxing. Yeah. Oh, the food looks amazing. Chicken, noodle, calamari, some fruits,
Oh, there's more.
fish.
Oh,
There's
and
more.
Yeah.
Drink
And
came.
there's unlimited rice.
Yes. Unlimited rice, unlimited food.
Thank you.
And the view is amazing. The food was perfect. We're full now. And Hector is again discovering some animals.
Look, the crab is pulling this like a giant snail.
Yeah, it's so big. So right now we're gonna go to the Kayangan Lake. And to go there, we need to take 200 steps up, 100 down, and something. So we have some way to go.
Very accurate details.
This is the start.
And
And everyone needs to wear life vests.
It's mandatory.
Yes, unfortunately.
I feel like a child.
There's a cave. Nice view.
I didn't know there's a cave up here.
Yeah, it goes down. So after taking those steps, the viewpoint was on the left. And to go to the lake, we're gonna go down now. Our tour guide said that this lake is 70% fresh water, 30% salt water. So I guess it's the place like they all mixed up together. The lake like keeps going on the back.
So pretty.
I want to taste it. I'm curious. 70%
Taste the
plus
water.
30%. How is it?
So nice.
Really? How does it taste like?
This is so weird tasting water. A little salty.
But a little?
Not as much as sea, I think.
Nice.
I don't know if it's 70-30. I've never had to give it a ratio.
I'm curious how much it goes there.
It looks fun.
Yeah. Okay, I'm joining. Kayangan Lake.
Amazing. Oh yeah, amazing, amazing.
And this was the last stop, so we're going back now. We're going back to Coron town.
And it's 4:30 p.m. right now.
Yeah.
I'm sad, but tomorrow we're going to Cebu.
Yeah. Oh, raining again. We just came to the town. After rain,
Yeah, it rained so much.
we are in the tricycle again. They're gonna drop us off in our hostel.
Yeah.
It was a nice boat tour. Kayangan Lake was so nice.
Yeah, and this was the cheapest tour available.
Yeah.
Pick up, drop off included. The lunch was amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I would pay that much just for a lunch. It's crazy.
I think it was the cheapest because there was no entrance fee for any of the places we went.
Yeah.
But like in other tours, I think there are entrance fees. That's why they're more expensive. Yeah.
If you're truly on a budget, don't be discouraged from the cheapest tour. It's still fantastic.
Yeah.